Lila here from Sister, and today we're making another easy snack. But my guest here today is my sister, Elsie, and my brother, Oscar! Do you ever feel like eating some prawn crackers? Did you know that you can easily make them at home?
Really?
The things you will need to make these delicious prawn crackers are a heavy base pan or a deep fryer, some store-bought uncooked prawn crackers,
What? Oil.
and some tongs and a bowl with a paper towel.
And a little fishy.
No, that's decoration.
No.
Yeah.
Oil.
Now let's get baking. Wait. Before we start cooking, we have one thing to tell you. Wash your hands. I am an experienced cook, but I suggest having an adult helping you make these because cooking with oil is really dangerous. Now let's go to the stove.
Yes.
Step number 1. Turn on your stove just over halfway and pour in just about a centimetre of oil into the pan. Now wait for the oil to heat up. This is what the prawn crackers look like before they have been baked. They're these hard, thin, crispy things. The way you know if the oil is hot enough to cook them is if you break a little bit of a broken one already and put it in the oil, and if it starts heating up like this and turning into a really light colour like that, you know that the oil is ready and you can take the test out and put it into the bowl with the paper towel in it. If you're like me and there's a lot of oil left over, you can pour it back into a jar and you can reuse it again. Our prawn crackers are done, so let's try them. Yummy. That was good ASMR.
Looks like
Now let's try our prawn crackers with chopsticks. I hope you have enjoyed this video on how to make prawn crackers. Please give this video a big like, subscribe and share, and I hope you enjoy your prawn crackers. Bye! The things you will need to make these delicious prawn crackers are a heavy base pan or deep fryer. There's a fly in there.
I did it.